Hey, welcome back. Today I'm showing you exactly how to use Monday.com step by step using the latest 2025 interface. If you're new to project management tools or just want to get organized fast, this video is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Signing up. Open your browser and go to Monday.com. You'll see a big Get Started button at the top right. Click Get Started to begin. Monday.com lets you sign up with Google or your email address. Pick whichever option is easiest for you. Once that's done, you'll land on your dashboard, the central place to manage everything. Step 2. Creating your first board. Boards are where your work happens. Think of a board like a digital whiteboard or spreadsheet that holds your tasks or projects. On the left side menu, click the plus Add button near Workspaces, then select New Board. A pop-up will ask you to name your board. Pick a descriptive name, something like Marketing Plan, Project Tracker, or even Personal Tasks. Next, choose the board's visibility. Main, visible to everyone in your workspace. Private, just you or specific people. Shareable, for outside collaborators or clients. After you select visibility, click Create Board. Now you can either start from a blank board or use Monday's templates. Templates are pre-built boards designed for specific workflows like sales pipelines, content calendars, or bug tracking. If you're just starting, I recommend starting from scratch so you can get familiar with the interface. Step 3. Understanding the board layout. Once your board opens, you'll see it's divided into groups and items. Groups are like sections or categories. For example, you might have groups named To Do, In Progress, and Done. Items are the individual tasks or projects within those groups. Basically, the rows. You can rename any group by clicking directly on its title. For example, change Group 1 to Backlog or Upcoming. To add a task, click plus Add Item at the bottom of a group. Give your task a name, something clear like Write Blog Post or Design Social Media Graphic. You can drag tasks to reorder them or move them between groups simply by clicking and dragging. This setup helps you organize tasks by status or phase, giving you a clear visual overview. Step 4. Customizing columns. Columns are where Monday.com shines. They store all the extra info you want to track for each task. On the right side of your board, click plus Add Column. Here's a quick overview of some powerful column types you should try. Status lets you set the progress of a task, like To Do, Working on it, or Done. You can customize the labels and colors. People assign team members responsible for the task. Date set due dates, deadlines, or event dates. Monday will highlight overdue tasks for you. Timeline. Visualize start and end dates on a timeline or calendar. Great for planning. Priority. Create a drop-down to mark priority levels like high, medium, low. Numbers. Used for budgets, quantities, or hours estimates. Text. For notes, descriptions, or extra info. You can reorder columns by dragging the column headers left or right. The more you customize columns, the more Monday.com becomes your own personalized work system. Step 5. Managing tasks and collaboration. Click on the status column to update a task's progress instantly. This keeps everyone in the loop on what's done or pending. Use the person column to assign tasks. You can assign multiple people to one task if needed. Set deadlines with the date column. Monday will automatically color code late or upcoming tasks to catch your eye. Click on any task name to open the detailed item view. Here's where Monday.com's collaboration tools shine. You can write comments or updates and tag teammates using a username to notify them directly. Upload files, images, or documents to keep everything related to the task in one place. Create sub-items or checklists for breaking down a big task into smaller steps. View the full activity log. Every change and comment is tracked so you know what happened and when. All of this makes it easy to work with your team and keep communication transparent. Step 6. Switching board views. While table view is great for detailed lists, sometimes you want to see your tasks in different ways. At the top of your board, click plus Add View. Try these views. Kanban view. Cards you can drag and drop across columns. Great for workflows and sprint planning. Calendar view. See all your due dates in a monthly calendar layout. Timeline view. Gantt-like view for planning project timelines and dependencies. Workload view. Visualize who's overloaded or has bandwidth so you can balance assignments. Switch between views as needed. It only takes one click on the tabs at the top. Step 7. Automations to save time. One of the best Monday.com features is automations, rules that automatically do tasks for you. Click Automate at the top of the board to open the Automation Center. There are hundreds of recipes you can use, such as, when status changes to done, notify the project manager. When a date arrives, move the task to the completed group. Every Monday, create a new weekly planning task. Pick a recipe, customize it to fit your workflow. Then click Create Automation. This helps eliminate manual follow-ups and keeps your projects moving smoothly. Step 8. Integrations. Connect your favorite apps. Monday.com can connect with many apps you already use like Google Calendar, Slack, Zoom, Outlook, Dropbox, and more. Click Integrate at the top menu. Choose the app you want to connect. For example, Google Calendar. Choose a template, then connect and authorize access. Once connected, you can sync tasks, receive Slack notifications, attach files directly from Dropbox, and much more. Integrations supercharge Monday.com and make your workflow seamless. Step 9. Creating dashboards for big picture management. Dashboards let you see data from multiple boards in one place. Click plus on the left sidebar, then New Dashboard. Name it something descriptive like Project Overview or Sales Pipeline. Add widgets such as Battery Widget. Visualizes progress on tasks or boards. Workload Widget. Shows who's assigned what, helping balance your team's workload. Chart Widget. Displays status breakdowns, budgets, or any data you want to analyze. Calendar Widget. Pulls dates from all boards to show deadlines and milestones. Dashboards are especially useful for managers or anyone handling multiple projects. Step 10. Inviting and managing your team. To collaborate with others, click your profile icon at the top right and select Invite Members. Add team members by entering their emails. You can invite them to the whole workspace or only specific boards. Once invited, you can assign them tasks, mention them in comments, and control their permissions, whether they can edit, comment, or just view. Good team management keeps everyone accountable and projects on track. Bonus tips and tricks. Use templates to speed up setup, especially for recurring projects like content calendars or client onboarding. Archive completed groups or tasks instead of deleting them. You can restore them anytime. Use the mobile app so you can update tasks and stay in touch from anywhere. Use CMD+K for Mac or Control+K for Windows to quickly search your boards, tasks, or anything in Monday.com. Explore the Monday Apps Marketplace for extra widgets and add-ons to customize your experience. And there you have it, your complete beginner's guide to Monday.com with the latest 2025 interface. From setting up your workspace and boards to automations, integrations, and dashboards, you now have all the tools to organize and manage your work like a pro. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what feature you want me to cover next. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.